Welcome to Nordami Vision. My name is Parvati. I am a diabetic like you, and today I will share the amazing benefits of okra with you. I will also show you how to make okra water and okra powder, so watch till the end. Let's dive into the fascinating world of okra. Originating from warm climates and a staple in Asian diets, it is in the same plant family as cotton and hibiscus. In some countries, they call okra ladies' fingers, and I can see why. They look somewhat like some ladies' fingers, which are green and wrinkly. It is also known as gumbo and okra. Discover the myriad ways to savor okra, from mouth-watering sabzi and hearty soups to delightful pairings with meat and chicken. In Western cuisines, we witness okra's transformation into baked delicacies and vegetable soup enhancements. Okra can be fried and seasoned with a little salt. A very popular way they eat okra is to grill it. Okay, let's talk about whether or not it's good for diabetes. Beyond its culinary versatility, okra stands tall as one of the world's most nutritious vegetables, with a mere 30 calories per 100 grams. It's a low-calorie powerhouse loaded with vitamins A, B complex, and C. Immerse yourself in the abundance of antioxidants like beta-carotene, xanthan, and lutein, making okra a top contender in this department. Explore the rich fiber content in okra, promoting superior glycemic control and heightened insulin sensitivity. Feel the fullness and stay regular with this dietary gem. But the benefits don't stop there. Delve into a wealth of essential minerals such as iron, calcium, manganese, and magnesium. In Africa, people use okra for many medicinal purposes. They grind up the peel and seeds to make okra powder. Okra powder has actually been studied and shown to be a rather potent supplement for many of the nutrients found within the okra peels and pod. Okra water is also very popular in Africa. Okra water is said to help with diabetes, blood disorders, headaches, and all kinds of different ailments. Okra water is becoming a new trend for pregnant women to help them deliver babies. So, yes, okra is good for diabetes. Let's make the okra water first. To make okra water, I have 1 kilogram of okra. I washed the okra thoroughly and dried it really well. I will cut the okra from both ends. You can slice them in the middle also, that is another option. I have 3 mason jars, and I will put 8 to 10 pieces in each jar. Add water and close the lid. Put the jars in the fridge for overnight. I am trying the okra for the first time for breakfast. First, I will mix it well. It looks a little cloudy. It is a bit slimy. Let's taste the water. It has a mild okra taste just like okra. Not bad. Now let's make okra powder. I have 1 kilogram of okra. I will wash and dry the okra well. I slice them and place them face down in a dehydrator for a total of 12 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can just put them outside or on the balcony in the sun. Make sure they are very well dried. They will not grind well if they are not fully dried. Put them in a blender until they become powder. Don't use a food processor that will not grind well enough. That's all. It's only one ingredient, you don't need anything else. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and smash the bell icon. Thank you, and see you in our next video.